the last point. I don't even remember what happened. It's like my my spirit has left my body, and I was just observing my body, you know, fight the last 3-4 exchanges, you know, going left to right and hoping that Andy will make a mistake. Just a thrilling moment, really one of the most beautiful I've had in my career. Incredibly flattering to know that Rod Laver is the last one, you know, you managed to do that. Of course, it's not many words that can describe it. So overwhelmed with having this trophy next to me that I'm just trying to enjoy this moment.